Princess Great Story. According to our geography, Manila is the capital city. The action point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City. Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Sabote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Pati Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Patan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now, let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we add 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayan Shore, Formata Fish, Sugar, Coconut, and Corn. Ay, Cebu, Matan, Mandawi, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Iloilo, Capas, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, City Hor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, mababot ng Orasan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Oligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao del Sur, Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Lana, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Philippines is a great story. Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.